Here's a quick recap of today's price action. Coming into the day, we are clearly very bullish. Yes, we are overextended, but it's all-time highs price action. We are very close to all-time highs, and we are just heavily displacing higher. All I'm looking for is for some retracement into this displacement candle to look for continuation longs to target all-time highs. And as you can see, right before market open, we create a 30-minute bullish gap just below. All that I'm looking for is for this premium PDA to be used to continue the move higher. And right at market open, that's exactly what ends up happening. We open, we manipulate lower into this 30-minute bullish gap, generating liquidity above, such as these equal highs, as well as 5-minute unmitigated bearish PDAs. We then get a beautiful 30-second inversion. Right when we got this inversion, I ended up taking a position long, stop loss, swing low. Take profit was honestly all the way at all-time highs. I was very confident that if we were going to be bullish, we were going to absolutely flush higher. And as you can see, I did actually end up getting stopped at break even. This was my original break-even point right here. The reason I got stopped at break even is because ES ended up mitigating my break-even point, or the 5-minute bearish. Therefore, I ended up going break even. As you can see, we then end up putting a SMT in here. This was right after I got break even, so I had just sat through this chop and was managing my trade, and then we end up getting this re-entry. Honestly, I think this re-entry is better, but as I said, I just got out of a trade. I wasn't really feeling immediately just jumping into another one. This was better though, 100%. We get the SMT. ES ends up sweeping inside of that 30-minute bullish. We get this beautiful 1-minute, even more generated liquidity above. As you can see, this does end up running higher, but once again, it would have been a break-even trade for me personally. And then you can see that this does end up running higher to all-time highs. So bias was right, but we just had unfortunate lack of delivery after taking entries here. So super annoying, but as I said, bias was right and nothing much you can really do aside from executing your model and just managing it how you should. So it's always annoying getting stopped at break even and then seeing price run to your full take profit, but it is OPEX and we're also at all-time highs, so I'm fine with the outcome being break even. It is what it is. Sure, I would have liked to capitalize, but not much I can do. As I've said, sure, I could have just not gone break even, but then, or I could have taken the re-entry, not gone break even, whatever, but I stick to my model. My model shows its statistic. In the long run, I'm not mad whatsoever. On to the next day. Not a bad way to end my week. So I hope you guys learned something from the video, and drop a comment below and let me know how your trading day was.